We know a lot of our viewers are proud German Shepherd owners, and the rest of us admire this popular breed immensely. If you own a German Shepherd, are thinking about getting one, or just want to marvel at one of the most popular dog breeds in the world, these facts will blow your mind. Number 1. Phalanx of Lewano, a great hero. There are lots of tales of heroic German Shepherds in the breed's short history, and one of them is the Phalanx of Lewano. He was honored at Westminster in 1917 for bringing 54 wounded soldiers to safety in World War I. Number 2. Strongheart is one of only 2 German Shepherd dogs to grace the Hollywood Walk of Fame with a star. Strongheart was something of a celebrity, appearing in a variety of black and white films in the 1920s. Number 3. They're also commonly known as Alsatians. This is because the German element was dropped in Europe after World War I due to the poor perception of the country at the time. Number 4. A German Shepherd's bite has 238 pounds of force. A human's bite has just 86. Number 5. Mr. Popularity. They are hugely popular. In fact, the second most popular in the USA behind only the Labrador. Number 6. They're incredibly smart and learn simple tasks after only 5 repetitions. They obey the first given command 95% of the time. Number 7. When formal guide dog training began in Switzerland in the 1920s, all of the dogs trained were German Shepherds. Number 8. The average life expectancy of a German Shepherd is 10.95 years. Number 9. Some amazing German Shepherds have very unusual coloring. They're known as panda shepherds. Number 10. A German Shepherd named Captain ran away from home after the death of his parent, Argentinian Miguel Guzman, in 2006. A week later, Mr. Guzman's family went to pay their respects and found the heartbroken pet sitting by his father's grave, wailing. He stayed there for 6 years. Number 11. Besides the silver screen, you can also find the dogs on your computer screen. Searching German Shepherd on YouTube returns a little more than 500,000 results. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Know a German Shepherd lover? Share this video with them. If you want to buy veterinarian approved pet products, check the description box below.